Hey guys, SLCat here, and this is episode 3 of my work in progress video. Now I'm gonna do the technique which calls reverse wash. As you remember in previous episodes, I prepared the parts with iconography. I've painted them with lacquer gold first and applied enamel black after it dries. And now I have to erase some enamel paint from the parts using lighter fluid. Of course you can use any type of enamel thinner. I use this beautiful tool, Mr. Clean Stick 2, which actually can save you a lot of nerves and cotton buds. Simply soak it in lighter fluid, tap to tissue paper to get rid of extra liquid and start to erase. The tip of this tool is made of more dense material than usual cotton bud, so it's much easier to deal with. It's more precise, more gentle, and it's reusable. Now let's remove the masks from the shield. And let's seal our work with a clear coat. Here I use Gaia X Flat Clear, one of my favorite lacquer clear paints. It's not super matte, just above average. I apply it with a wet coat to make a kind of satin effect, because I still need to keep this gold shine, but also I'm trying to make the black layer more matte. Just check this out, exactly what I was looking for. And now a detail paint. I decided to do it using different kind of metallics, and to achieve maximum effect I have to make gloss black base for them. I'm using Gaia X Black, and of course I apply it with a wet coat. Here I'm gonna be using this brand new metallic paint from Gaia Notes, VO15 Frame Metallic 2 from Virtual On series. And I dilute it with Gaia Metallic Master, fast drying thinner for metallics. And of course I apply it with the mist coats. I did some of my masking job off camera, but still, I'm gonna show you at least some parts of the process. I use this tiny metal template from Brain Factory and this beautiful spin blade from Wave. Deadly combination. While the most of this video is self-explanatory, I'll keep silent for a while. Here I'm gonna show you how I thin down metallic paint. As you see, the paint should be very thin. For this kind of lacquer metallic paint, approximate ratio is about 1 paint to 4 to 5 thinner. The pressure is about 17 psi. And remember, mist coats only. Let's carry on with masking. While I mask the desired area, I can help myself with an ordinary blue tag, or sticky tag, whatever you call that. It's quite handy for covering some not important areas. Here's the final step of painting. I use the same Nazca mechanical surfacer as before to paint the entire part. And now, I would say the most dramatic step of all, removing the masks. Because you'll never know if you succeed with your masking job or not until you'll take them off. So let's check this out, guys. Well, not without any issues, but not bad. Not bad at all. Also, let's have a look at some other parts after masking job is done. And I think that's it for this episode, guys, so thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.